Why do taxpayers have to pay for SSL's criminal operations, quote unquote? How are we being held accountable and not those governing that corrupt entity?
I must firstly apologize on behalf of the dear minister who is fortunately unable to make this interview as he is out feeding the multitude as Jesus would. As you know, he has many mouths to feed. Now I'd like to bring some calm to the hearts of all Jamaicans regarding the speech that was made by our dear minister over the last couple of weeks or so. And all that has been circulating over social media, and there has been a lot of uproar regarding the amount of monies that would have been spent per month. But I'd like to calm the hearts of every Jamaican now and let you know a little prank. I was like a prank today, a little joke. There was a ministry. We've been running a few social experiments over the last few months just to get the reaction of Jamaicans when they hear something blasphemous. And to be honest, the reactions have been pretty good. We've only been getting reactions over social media, people running jokes and all sorts of things about the news. So we know that Jamaicans aren't really taking this that serious. But before I go any further, I just want to clarify something for Jamaicans. Beverly, can you come and hold my Gucci glasses for me, please? Now, as you know, Jamaicans, we are the Ministry of Money. And we could never do anything funny, or as the streets would say, fubble-double with your money. As you remember, we did run a prank a couple months ago, you know, where we said we never had any money to pay the teachers and other civil servants. And look how we pranked, you know, because we found the monies and we paid a few of the civil servants, including a few teachers, and we also ensured that we paid other people in gross and even more than they deserved to get, as you'd have realized. I want to kill and dispel this lie that is going about that we are robbing Jamaicans of their money, of their hard-earned money. We could never do that, Jamaicans. Not in a lifetime would we ever go around and own money. We would never. So if you see a lump sum between the amount of $13 and $15 million going through this stream, we are just allocating a few funds to see the allocatiousness of these allocating to those who need the allocation. Do you get what I'm saying?